Binigyang diin ni U.S. Ambassador Mary Kay Carlson ang kahalagahan ng operasyon ng U.S. Navy malapit sa Scarborough Shoal bilang patunay ng kanilang pagtupad sa freedom of navigation and the enforcement of international maritime law. Narito ang Agenda Weekend Report ni Francis Folve.
Napamahal na sa bansa si U.S. Ambassador to the Philippines, Mary Kay Carlson. Kaya sabi niya, mula sa hashtag Friends, Partners and Allies, pwede na raw itong baguhin into Friends, Partners, Allies and Families.
Sometimes, for me, honestly, it's hard to know on a spectrum where the Philippines stops and the U.S. starts and vice versa, because there are so many connections between our two peoples.
Dagdag niya, may mahigit 4 na milyon na PhilAm sa Amerika at higit 750,000 na Amerikano ang nasa Pilipinas. Excited din siya sa paggunita ng ika-88 anibersaryo ng Philippine-American Diplomatic Relation next year, kasabay ng 75th year anniversary ng alyansa matapos pirmahan ng Mutual Defense Treaty ng Maynila at Washington noong 1951. Sinamantala na rin ni Carlson ang pagkakataon para linawin ang presensya ng dalawang US warship sa may Scarborough Shoal ilang araw matapos ang banggaan ng mga barko ng China habang hinahabol ang isang barko ng PCG. Sumusunod anya ang Amerika sa international law sa kanilang pagsasagawa ng Freedom of Navigation Operations. Muli rin siyang nagpahayag ng pagkabahala sa mas nagiging agresibong aksyon ng mga barko ng China sa West Philippine Sea.
With regard to what happened this week on August 11th near Scarborough Shoal, Bajo de Masinloc, that was just absolutely shocking. The video was outrageous to see. Unfortunately, that type of aggressive behavior out in the West Philippine Sea by China is not unusual. We've seen shouldering and ramming and water cannoning.
Posible rin umano na higit pa ang pambubuli ng China sa mga mangingisdang Pinoy na hindi na idodokumento sa kamera.
It was very sad to see what was likely some loss of life in that collision by the PLA Navy vessel and the Chinese Coast Guard vessel. We are certainly lament any loss of life that may have occurred. I was very heartened to see that the Philippine Coast Guard offered to render assistance immediately.
Magsilbi rin sanang leksyon sa sigalot sa laot ang nangyari para hindi na ito maulit.
Perhaps this will be a watershed event that could lead to ratcheting down some of these aggressive actions out in the West Philippine Sea.
Isa ang issue sa West Philippine Sea sa tinitindigan ng Amerika at iba pang mga bansang kaalyado ng Pilipinas para sa rule of law at pagpapanatili ng bukas at malayang Indo-Pacific region. Para sa Agenda Weekend, Francis Folve, Billionaire News Channel.